Let's make my go-to protein smoothie. We're gonna start off with a blender, 1 whole banana, a cup of frozen strawberries, 1 scoop of creamy peanut butter. I always like to wet my spoon before I scoop peanut butter so it doesn't stick to the spoon. Now here's the secret ingredient, egg whites. This has 5 grams per serving, and there's 10 servings per container. Next, we're gonna add plain Greek yogurt. 1, 2. Next, we're gonna add in your favorite whey protein. It's empty. Dry roasted peanuts. Add a little bit of crunch. Taste test. 10 out of 10. Never miss.